Well, it's another November camping trip at Mississippi River State Park, Bear Creek Lake. And I was going to be here last week, but we had that Arctic blast and decided to, put it off a week. So here I am, going to stay 3 or 4 days. And I've already done a little fishing this morning, and temperatures are great this time around. Last week we had colder temperatures around the 24, 25 at night. And with the wind coming off the lake, I just, pushed it back for another week. This week we're 81, 82, something like that. And, I think last night it was 62 at night. So, everything's really good on that. But we're going to take a walk here. We'll walk back around to the boat ramp and everything. And, we'll just get out and kind of enjoy it. Like I say, I've already been fishing this morning. I caught 3 smaller ones just right here by the campsite. But it's been fun. Went to the world famous Jones barbecue this morning. Picked up a pound of pork and some slaw. Gonna have that tonight. And if you're not familiar with Jones barbecue in Marianna, Arkansas, you need to look that up. Mr. Jones has won the Beard Award, which is a very prestigious award, and it's awful surprising something like that here in Marianna. But anyway, we're about to take a walk, and we'll see how the rest of the day goes. Before I head out on that walk, I'll show you a quick shot of the camper. I'm really roughing it, as you can see. TV and DVD player, toaster oven, microwave. I got the ice maker going right now. It doesn't do bad. I can run it for a few hours and kind of replenish some of the ice and everything. But, this is my first time to bring the ice maker, so we'll see if it makes a difference where I don't have to go back into town. But slept real good last night. Some of you may have seen a video I made, I guess back in April of this year, and I put the interlocking foam mats under the beds, and I can tell you that last night I could tell a difference. Bed wasn't near as hard. So again, this is the setup, and the view is actually incredible, as you can tell. A little windy today, but very nice. A few people out there fishing. But let's take a walk. There was 9 people here last night out of the 14 campgrounds, or the campsites. And I think a lot of them have slipped out of here already today. But that's my view, and it's just a fantastic view. It always is. If you've watched the video from last year about this time, it was cold last year when I made this trip. But the leaves are falling, and other than being just a little bit breezy, it's really, really perfect weather. Let you see the campground there. But, the water's a little down. They still haven't fixed the spillway over there after a year. We'll take a look at that when we get over there, but that's a whole nother story. But let's see if we can get these guys out there fishing. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit on that. There they are. Don't see how they're holding the boat in place, quite honestly. We probably have 12 to 17 mile-an-hour winds right at the moment. But like I say, that's the only drawback. Real pretty day. Temperature at the moment's probably, I don't know, maybe about 74, 5. And again, gonna reach about 82. So, just a very pleasant day. There was some people up here fishing right off this point this morning. As I say, the water is a little low. You can see probably the vegetation growing there by the banks. Makes it hard to fish off the bank in some of the campsites and things, but maybe before I'm too old to fish anymore, they'll have it fixed. You know how it is with a state park and a national forest. You get the government involved in something and it's going to take a while. But that's a pretty lake. Probably done more fishing this year than have in years past. Caught a lot of catfish, and the last 3 or 4 trips got into the brim, which is always fun. Even if not all of them are keeping size, they're still fun. So anyway, I'm gonna head up the hill, and I'll pick this back up when I get there. I don't want you to have to listen to me huff and puff.